want to mention about steroid shots because a lot of people I know say, oh, I had that and it was just awful.
No.
And I've had one that was awful, but it doesn't have to be.
Right, absolutely.
So people shouldn't avoid that.
So
because
the other advancement, if you want to call it, within the world of injections is we also have started using ultrasound-guided injections. I use them all the time. You can get deep into a joint, you can say superficial, you can give a dose, half a dose here and half a dose there, based on where the bursitis is or the inflammation is.
And basically, and that was where I was going with this, was with an ultrasound, if you can zoom in again, with an ultrasound-guided needle, if this is the bursa which lives into this space right up under here, let me see if I can hold it in a position where you can see, the ultrasound, very much like you would do for monitoring of developing baby, we can put the ultrasound on the skin and actually see the shoulder joint, and we could watch the needle go right into the perfect location.
Correct.
No guesswork whatsoever. That plus numbing medicine, it's almost a painless experience
the
today.
lidocaine ahead of time and let it take effect.
Right.
Makes a huge difference.
And that's how we do it in our practice, and it does make a big difference.